Hello everyone! Ito yung pinaka-trending na glutathione ngayon. I am Amazing White Advance. Naka 2 days pa lang ako ng gamit, pero ramdam ko na talagang nag-smoothen your skin ko. Ang smooth ng skin ko, guys. Yung legs ko, ang smooth niya. Pag hinawakan niyo yung mukha niyo, yung balat niyo, parang alam niyo yung mamasa-masa. Hindi naman yung nagpapawis ha, pero this one is the product of I Am Worldwide. The price is 2,590. Pero pag member ka, makukuha mo na lang siya ng 1,475. So, mas maganda maging member ka pa para malaki ang discount. Advanced Whitening. Ito ay natural or organic food supplement, beauty and vitamins. Maganda ito sa it can glow your skin, it can brighten and whiten your skin. This is actually for the liver. Dun sa may mga problema sa liver, no? So, it can help your liver to detoxify and regenerate the cells of the liver, no? So, talagang magiging magre-renew talaga siya. So, yung color dito is yellow. At saka yung smell niya is like corn. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo. Kasi, nakainom na ako kanina dun sa live ko sa Facebook. So, china-challenge ko ang sarili ko kung ano magiging effect. Kasi first time ko, guys, gumamit ng ganito. Yung una kong ginamit, hindi naman siya organic, no? Synthetic yung ano niya. Kaya natatakot ako. Pero ito, yan siya. Kulay yellow siya at it smells like really corn. Para talaga siyang, alam niyo yung pinakuluan yung na corn. So, eto yung amoy. So, I have like this, I posted like this in my Facebook account, in my page, na this is super brands. So, kapag may tatak na super brands, means the product have quality and known for all over the world. The ingredients of it is known all over the world. So, hindi siya basta-basta. Kaya ganun siya. So, it manufactured in New Zealand by New Zealand Nutritional. Yan. So ano siya talaga, hindi basta-bastang lab o laboratory. So, nagma-manufacture talaga sila ng mga organic product at may quality product, no? So, I Am Amazing White Advanced Whitening Grew. Hindi ko na itutuloy, no, kasi ayaw ni TikTok. Beauty vitamin is not to be taken by children. So, bawal sa bata. Children, pregnant, and lactating parents. Tapos, adults take to 3 capsule daily with a meal or professionally recommended. So, ako tinitake ko siya sa umaga ng 2 capsule sabay. So, hindi na 3, 2 lang talaga. So, I Am Amazing White is an advanced formula containing and antioxidant nutrients for skin health. So, kaya the synergistic combination helps support skin pigmentation and complexion. No added yeast, starch, or gluten. So, it's gluten-free and it's yeast-free. So, wala siyang halong mga additives na makakasira sa katawan, no? It's purely organic, guys. Very cheap for the price na pag member ka is just 1,475. Kung gusto nyo po nito, i-PM nyo po ako at pag-usapan po natin how you can get discount. And if you don't want discount, how you can avail this for me. No, i-message nyo ako after you watch this because this is the only, I'm using this 2 days now na. So, I really feel the smoothness of my skin. Actually, hindi pa ako naghihilabos pagkagising ko. I feel this way na very smooth. And my skin is very smooth. Totoo yung nakalagay talaga nito na pag uminom ka talaga nito, it's ganito ka, magiging smooth yung mukha mo. So, I can't wait para umabot na ng 30 days kasi this is 60 capsule in 1 bottle. So, you can take this in just 1 month. So, mafe-feel mo talaga na maganda siya. All your skin will be smooth and it's like a baby. What more pa, guys? Pag natapos ko na tong bote na to, isang bote na to, no? Before ko siya matapos, bibili na ako. Before mag-end yung month. So, thank you so much. I am amazing. Advanced White from I Am Worldwide. Also, napakaabot yung bag ko. Also, for my identification as a legit distributor, I have an ID to prove you that I am a legit distributor and part of the company. So, meron tayong mga katibayan, no? Yun lang. Nasaan na yung ID ko? Ang dami kasing bulsa nitong bag ko. Hindi ko mahanap. So, this is my ID that telling you all that I am a legit distributor of I Am Worldwide. And you can buy only these products to the legit distributors only sa I Am Worldwide. Oh, pwede nyo akong i-PM kung ilan at mapag-usapan natin, okay? So, you better take care of yourself now rather than to be too late. Kasi mas magandang maalagaan mo siya na habang nasa tamang edad ka pa. Kasi dumating ka na sa matanda ka na kung kailan sobrang malala na yung problema sa katawan mo bago mo siya gagamutin. Kasi it will take a lot of money from you and yung oras sobrang sayang. So ganon. Thank you so much.